Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss that how to deal with overthinking. But before that, we have to understand that what are thoughts. So thoughts are power. Thoughts have energy. You can transmute energy, but you cannot stop that from arising. So it's up to you to how to direct that energy into, be it in a positive form or be it in a negative form. So thoughts are a very integral part of our brain mechanism, and they keep on arising 24/7. And by the time you came into concentration that yes, this is a thought, it occupies the whole process and converted into the process of overthinking. So now we will discuss the very frequently asked question that how to stop overthinking. The very first step to that is be in a process of be in the moment of now. So when you are in the moment of now, neither in the past or neither in the future, you are present in the moment of now, your brain will not attach any story to it, to the thought. It will just come and it will just go, as simple as that. So being in the present of being present in the moment of now is very simple by the process of deep breath. When you give deep breath to your brain, it is something like you are giving the food to your stomach. The same process as the food is needed to fill your stomach. The same process the brain need deep breath for its working process. The moment you start giving deep breath to your conscious deep breath to your brain, it will not feed you with the past stories, or it will not feed with you the anxiety of the future. You are into the present moment. By the time you start taking conscious deep breath 3 to 4 times a day, and it is not very difficult to take out a time of doing a conscious deep breath at least 3 times or 4 times a day. So our brain is designed in a very auto-programmed manner. It will get aware that yes, I'm getting my food in form of deep breath. So when your brain get aware, it will make you present, it will make you aware of the conscious state of your own self, and your brain will not put you into the process of overthinking. Same way our brain feeds on the deep breath. You give it breath and it will not give you the old stories. Very simple. Now last but not the least, balance your emotions. To stop your overthinking process, you have to balance your emotions. By the time you start balancing your emotion, you got to know that yes, I don't have to attach any story to this particular thought, because by the process it enter your brain, the same process it will exit. But for that you don't have to attach any story, and for that process you have to balance your emotions. How to balance your emotion with the process of being into the awareness is, you can meditate, you can have a conscious deep breath, you can be present in the moment of now and let it go. The process of thought should be very simple. It came, it stopped, and let it go. Don't make it a process of a lifetime process, because thought is just a moment. It's not a lifetime punishment for anybody. Be in the conscious state by focusing on your life, by being in momentum. Energy is being in momentum, and thought is energy. By the time you keep on keeping yourself in the momentum, the thoughts will not convert it into the process of overthinking. So dear friends, if you want to give something to your brain, give it stillness, give it calmness, give it a awareness of your own self, but not the overthinking. By process of overthinking, you are just not doing anything else, you are just destroying yourself. So without destroying, there is no need to destroy yourself. Just build up yourself, build up your confidence, and stop the process of overthinking. Have a nice day.